Absolutely. Here's a full breakdown for your video titled, What Everyone Needs to Do with Their Money, including a powerful hook, a simple and engaging script, and search-optimized alternate titles. If your money isn't working for you, then you're working too hard. Most people don't have a money problem, they have a money plan problem. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what to do with your money, no matter how much or how little you have, and it might just change your life. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something every single person needs to hear. What to actually do with your money. Not just how to save it, not just how to spend it, but how to make it work for you, grow, and bring you peace of mind. This is the kind of stuff I wish they taught in school. So let's break it down. No jargon, no fluff, just real talk. Step 1. Build a safety net. Rule number 1. Before you invest, before you spend, build your emergency fund. This is your financial safety net. Aim for 3 to 6 months of your essential expenses. Why? Because life happens. Job loss, medical emergency, car repair, these things hit hard if you're not ready. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account where it's safe, accessible, and growing just a little on the side. Step 2. Kill high-interest debt. Credit card debt is your enemy. If you're paying 20% interest, you're going backwards. Focus on paying off high-interest debt as fast as you can. Use the debt snowball or debt avalanche method. Whatever keeps you motivated. Remember, paying off debt is a guaranteed return on your money. Step 3. Automate your savings, set it, and forget it. Create an automatic transfer every month or paycheck into your savings or investment account. This builds the habit and makes it easy to stay consistent. Even if it's $20 a week, that's over $1,000 a year. Small steps, big difference. Step 4. Invest early, even if it's small. Now here's where the magic happens, investing. You don't need to be rich to invest, but investing is how people get rich over time. Start with index funds or ETFs. They're low cost, diversified, and historically perform well. Use platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or apps like Robinhood or M1 Finance if you're just starting. The earlier you start, the more compound interest works in your favor. Step 5. Learn where your money goes. Most people don't need to make more money. They need to understand where their money goes. Use a simple budget, 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% saving, investing. Use apps like YNAB, Mint, or even a notebook. Once you see where your money is going, you can control it better. 6. Set clear financial goals. Money without direction gets spent. So ask yourself, what are you working toward? A home, financial freedom, early retirement. Set short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals. Once your money has a mission, you'll be surprised how focused you become. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're worried about the market crashing or already seeing red in your portfolio, don't panic. Today, we're diving into how you can actually profit during a crash using the wisdom of Warren Buffett and, more importantly, his famous market indicator that tells you when it's time to strike. 1. What is the Buffett indicator? Indicator is something called the Buffett indicator. It's super simple. It compares the total market capitalization of all publicly traded companies to a country's GDP. Here's the formula. Buffett indicator equals total market cap, GDP. When the ratio is low, especially below 80%, the market is considered undervalued. That's when Buffett starts buying, but when it's over 100% or 120%, that's a warning sign that the market may be overvalued ... and due for a correction. 2. What happens during a market crash? When a crash hits, most people panic. Stocks plummet, the news screams doom and gloom, and people sell out of fear. But this is exactly when the smart money starts looking for deals. Buffett famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." During a crash, prices drop well below their actual value, and if the Buffett indicator drops too, that's a major opportunity. 3. How you can use this in simple steps. Track the Buffett indicator. You can check the current Buffett indicator online. There are websites that update it regularly. If it's showing values close to or below 80%, that could be a sign of opportunity. Make a watch list of quality stocks. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, good cash flow, low debt, and long-term potential. These are the ones that bounce back strongest after crashes. Use dollar cost averaging DCA. Instead of investing all at once, invest in small chunks regularly. This reduces your risk and smooths out volatility. Focus on the long-term crash or temporary. Historically, the market always recovers. Holding quality assets for the long run often leads to solid gains. Don't time the market. Time the market. Even Buffett doesn't try to predict the bottom. He buys great companies at good prices when others are scared. For real example, Buffett's moves into 2008. Let's rewind to 2008. The financial crisis crushed the market, but Buffett stepped in and made huge investments in companies like Goldman Sachs and Bank of America, deals that made billions as the market recovered. He didn't buy just because prices were low. He bought because his indicator and his experience told him the panic was temporary. That's how legends are made. So next time the market crashes, instead of freaking out, look at the Buffett indicator. It might just be telling you, this is your chance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I post more videos on smart investing strategies, so you never have to fear a market crash again.